How to fix lag on YouTube frames dropping error. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can fix any type of lag on YouTube in the easiest way. So, this is a very quick process. What you're simply going to be doing is you're going to go over to any browser that you're on. Okay, it could be Google, it could be Edge, it could be Opera, whatever it is. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over to its settings. All right. So, once you have come over to the settings, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to go over to cookies and site permissions. And what you're going to do is delete or clear out any cookies that you have allowed. Okay. Now, once you've done that, simply go over to reset settings, go to restore settings to their default value, click on reset, and what this does is it removes all of the previous settings, caches, cookies, or whatever you have added into your browser, okay? And when you change that, that should fix your YouTube lag. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.